The vehicle you see here in the background is the 2020 model of the XC60. This is an R design. Of course, you can tell by the styled wheels. You can tell by the high gloss black window trim, and you can also tell by the high gloss black trim along the front as well, and the horizontal grille. We're going to jump inside and I'm going to show you exactly what to do if your key, as you can tell, will not operate to unlock your vehicle for you to get in and prepare to drive. So what we're going to go ahead and do is enter the vehicle, give you a quick shot of the interior. Now you can always tell the R design by the high gloss black paneling, which I mentioned before, but a dead giveaway of course is the seats. So once you're inside, we'll get a quick shot of the dash. Always love to do that. If you don't own a Volvo, you're thinking about getting one, this shows exactly what it's going to look like from the cockpit of the vehicle. And what you're looking for, going to go ahead and cover this so I can show you exactly what it looks like. So that's completely covered. If you have a nasty cup holder area, thing I love about Volvo is you can cover it. But to expose what I'm speaking of, pull back here. You can push forward here. Look right down inside. You can see a diagram of a key there. Zoom back out so you know exactly where that is. Now I'm going to take my key fob, and you want to place this Volvo sign up directly on the symbol there. So once you have it there, that will allow the vehicle to reconnect with your key, which in turn, when you hop on the outside now, you can lock and unlock from your key fob. Now, since I have it there, it's reconnected, I can press the brake, turn, start stop knob, and it fires up accordingly. As you're doing that, a connection is made. So therefore, I'm going to turn it off, remove my key, once you're back on the outside, take a look at those headlights, and you can take a look at the side mirrors. By the way, high gloss side mirror covers. Once I lock, mirrors fold in and lights flash. Hit unlock, happens just the opposite, and key fob once again connected. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. Take time to take additional looks at this vehicle and other vehicles. Of course, youtube.com/Alton Crawford. You can find more information on your favorite vehicle, and especially Volvo.